There are a lot of people who are white.
Hi.
Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn, how many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad little pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, jokes, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
All again. I was like, so I'm doing a plane installation. I am impossible.
Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you.
I'm saying, don't sleep tonight, go out. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know why I'm saying welcome back to my YouTube channel because I haven't been vlogging, Sana. I haven't been vlogging. It's so hard in here. Why is it so hard? Anyway, I wanted to say yesterday I went to do my installation. I didn't tell you guys because I was in a rush. I was running late for my appointment. And I did my lashes, my bunny. Yeah, because today we're going to that event there, the soul. Hey guys, yo, it's so hot. Yesterday we went to, sorry about that. Yesterday I went to do my installation and my lashes. I didn't vlog because I was running late for appointment guy and stuff because I was really busy yesterday at work. Yeah, I haven't been vlogging for like a week, I think, because I'm taking gymming and I can't be vlogging one thing every time because little boreja obviously. So today it's Saturday and I'm going out with my cousin and her man. The very first time I go her man. Then it will be me and my man, obviously. It's like type of double thing, but we're not going out on a date. I'm not sure because nigga planning double date like somewhere like a restaurant or somewhere. Then after for event the soul session or so what they know go impala. Yeah, then I don't know because we haven't spoken today, like today. Yeah, so right now I'm home. I'm going to my man, then I'm going to fetch him, then going to the mall because since I had a haircut there, yeah, she has to do his haircut. Then it's still 8 in the morning. Then I'll be vlogging, guys. I don't want to talk too much because I'm talking too much. Let me leave because Kiyowa texted know how far I am. Because I know it will be packed. Like, hold on, packed today. Yeah, so we want to go there like early in the morning before hotel and stuff. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Go go for
Jealous gang, man.
yo a botse ke tla go fa tlhatlha mapele motho ke o lwa le nna o bathong
Jealous.
ga itse go montle today or what
Like
guys-
a Peter.
guys we're here and we're looking for a parking. It's so packed, like it's very packed. Go ba go lo phaka ka ntle go avoid gore ga re ba tlosa
But I don't want to hold for the whole time. Some of the things that I know how it's gonna go